Civic. I'm dipping in my Civic. My Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSRY254, and we are here for a mail call. Another video, mail call. This one a little different. Seen it done on other channels. Definitely wanted to give it a try and see how it was gonna work for us. So, no further ado, it's mail call. So today we got in the package. Let's see who it's from. I know who it's from. Not putting the address on there, so that I wouldn't have to blur it out and not put personal information out there. This shirt comes from. Let me make sure put it by me so it's in focus. So what we have here is from CW Restoration Shop out in Huntington Beach, California. If y'all out that way, make sure that you swing by the shop and let them know. The shop is owned by Chris Womack. That's the CW. And he's a real cool guy, man. Sent me out this shirt. Definitely gonna be recommended. As you can see, his contact numbers on there: 714-842-0042. So definitely want to take this time and make this video, you know what I'm saying, and just thank you, Chris, for the t-shirt. Definitely gonna be adding it to the wardrobe. If you guys want to send something into the channel, just let me know down in the comments below, or you can hit me on the Instagram, or you can leave it down in the comments below. Either way, Instagram probably the most efficient one, and then you know where to find it. It's right up here. So if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely go make sure you follow me on Instagram. Like I said, once again, shout out to CW Restorations out in Cali for sending out this shirt, man. We really appreciate it. Identify your weaknesses and make them be strengths, man. It's your boy LSRY254. Gone.